Okay, had to run to town today, 180 miles, 190 miles round trip, just to get this. Let's check it out. Kioti's got a new toy. MTL trench type stump bucket grapple. This thing ought to be awesome. Can't wait. I just greased it up, but we'll cut the bands off of it here in a little bit. It's got 3 removable teeth, flat face couplers, skid steer quick attach, tag on it says the shipping weight's 495 pounds. It's a beast. That from the tip of the tooth to the back, I believe, is 48 inches. Bucket itself is 16 inches wide. Doesn't really, well, it tapers a little bit to the back. I'll throw a tape measure on it later. Check it out. I'll set the tripod up here after a while. I've got a stump I want to try get out. Or I'm not going to try to get it out. I'm going to get it out. How's that? Pretty awesome. I like the MTLs because every single one of the pivot points has greased pins, greasable pins. MTL attachments. So this is my second MTL attachment grapple. Wait for the skid steer. There's a step to get in if you had it on a skid steer. Okay. Whoop. I'd say that's enough taking a picture of it right now. Nice. Oh yeah, by the way, this was on sale for $9.99. I think it's normally $1,300. Good deal. $40 to get it shipped. But I did drive 190 miles to go get it because the trucking company was kind of swamped It was going to sit there all weekend again. Well, this would be the first weekend it was going to sit. It showed up Wednesday night. So today's Friday. I just went and picked it up. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got it till maybe midweek. I'd like to kind of use it tonight. So, good deal.